All right, now this is how I made $2,069. All right, this week is how I did it. All right, 7:25 in the morning. Last week was an 1807 week, which put me at I think it was like $301. I mean, if I divided all the money that I made through the whole entire week by the 6 days, I made $301. I think every day. Okay. Again, that's a strategy. You work 12 hours, and whether you make more or less throughout the whole entire week, it balances out at the end of the week. So 300 a day. All right, new week, let's make this money. All right, it's almost 3 o'clock, 250 something, and I'm at a total of 212. Multi-apping today. The most has been with Lyft. Lyft is the one that has been paying pretty good today. There's a promo going on with Lyft, but not with Uber or Quest. If I make, I think it's 35 rides, they pay me $265 if I'm correct. I'm gonna see if I can make that one. All right, Uber is giving me nothing, little bastards again. But they always give me something on the weekends. But 212 for the day. It's 3 o'clock. All right, let's see what we make for the rest of the day. It's a good day. All right, so I finished the day at I think it's like 286. All right, it's like 7 o'clock. It's like 7 o'clock. I finished the day at 7 o'clock. All right, with a total of 286. All right, let's see how much money we make tomorrow. All right, so it's like 214, something like that, and I made a total of like 136. Here we go again. Let's see how much money we make for the rest of the day. All right, it is 9:31 p.m. and I finished the day with a total of I think it's like 231. Slow day. I was doing some things in between, so it took me a little longer to get back to work. But 231 for today. I haven't been making my 300 lately, but I still got that Lyft bonus coming up. All right, and you know, I'll be multi-apping with Uber and Lyft. So Lyft bonus is coming up. I should be getting it by tomorrow, hopefully. All right, but again, let's make this money. All right, it's 7:30 in the morning. 7:30 in the morning. All right, let's make this money. I think $300 a day. $300 a day. Let's make this money. So it is about 3:54 or 4 o'clock, and I made a total today of 134. Multi-apping today, but it's been a good day. All right, let's keep going for the rest of the day. Let's make this money. All right, I finished the day off at about 250. 250. I worked a lot. Usually at about 2:30, I gotta take off because I gotta go pick up my daughter. So now it's, you know, there's like 2 or 3 hours that I lose of work because I have to pick her up. I take her home, settle in, and then go back to work. So I lose about, you know, about 2 hours, you know, that I lose that I'm not working. But 251 for the day. No $300 days, but all right. I don't care. The harder I work, you know, I keep making money. So let's see what we get tomorrow. Let's make this money. All right, so it is 9:25 p.m. and today was a $2.99 day. I missed the 300 by $1. My strategy was the same as always, but today my daughter got picked up from school, so I didn't have those couple of hours. So that's what's keeping me from making my 300, is that 2 to 3 hours that I lose in between picking her up and, you know, to getting off early to go pick her up and all that stuff. But 2.9 for the day. All right, tomorrow's Friday. Let's see how much money we. All right, it is like 6:40 something. It's almost 7 o'clock. And I made a total of 227 for the day. I still got a couple of hours more to go to see if I can reach 300. So 227, almost 7. All right, let's keep going. Let's make this money. Multi-apping all day today. Multi-apping. All right, let's make this money. All right, so today I finished the day off at about 10:20, and I made out a total of 337. So woo, my $300 day surpassed it. So 337. Hopefully tomorrow I have another 300 plus day, and then I'll balance out whatever all the other days that I didn't make 300. So see how much money we'll make tomorrow. Let's make this money. All right, so it's it's 8:05 a.m. and it's Saturday. So we're doing a Uber promo. So I think you do 50 trips and you make $70, and then the other one is 70 trips and you make $135. So I'm going for that. I made some already yesterday because I started yesterday, Friday. All right, but let's keep it going. Let's see how we can do this weekend. I think I'm pretty positive I'm gonna work on Sunday. So let's make this money. And we have a promo going on 10 to 11 with Uber. All right, consecutive trip, and I'm gonna use my a little strategy that I've been using lately. Hasn't been working like I wanted to, but it's just, I gotta find a way to start from. All right, which is destination consecutive trip. That's what I call it. So we're gonna do that today. That promo. That consecutive trip we have from 10 to 11. All right, let's make this money. All right, it is 5:55, and I made a total of 213, if I'm sure. 213, and we still got the rest of the day to go. So, all right, let's keep making this money. All right, I finished the day at about 10:13, and with a total of 382. It was multi-apping all day today. There was consecutive trips, and I didn't hit any of them. It sucks that there's just Lyft is just not giving me anything. So yeah, 382 for the day. All right, I don't know. I might be done. Let's see how much money we make tomorrow. Tomorrow, I'm gonna do a little bit tomorrow. I still got a couple more to finish the Uber promo. I think if I do like 15 more, I get like $70 or something like that. I might just do it. I got nothing else to do tomorrow. So, all right, see you tomorrow. Let's make this money. Sunday, finished the day. I think it was like at noon. I only worked 4 hours, and I did a total of 2069. Yeah. Okay, 2069 for the whole entire week, with the whole, the strategy that I use called the consecutive Uber Eats strategy for Sunday. That was it. All right, the whole entire week, $2,069. All right, we're back to the $2,000 a week. All right, let's see what we get for Monday, new week. Let's make this money.